If your child begins to choke, encourage him to cough. If no coughing, ask him if he's choking. Then ask him if he can breathe or speak. If he cannot breathe, have him lean over and do 5 back blows in between the shoulder blades forcefully. Then place your fist above his belly button and do 5 abdominal thrusts or until the object comes out. If the object is still lodged, continue doing this series of 5 back blows and 5 abdominal thrusts. Let's learn these safety tips and keep our children safe.